Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Educarte, and today I am going to start with our syllabus of class 8th. See, many requests were coming for class 8 syllabus. Otherwise, I would have started with class 10 syllabus. Okay, so now let's see. It is our exercise 1.1 rational numbers. See, I'll give you explanation later, but today I am going to do exercise. Okay, so exercise 1.1, there is only one exercise with only and only 3 questions. This chapter would be completed. Okay, now let's see. Here, you might be thinking, what are these? Why I have written this? Here we have to tell the property which is getting applied in these. Okay, so see, minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal to 1. This is multiplicative identity property. Okay, what does it mean basically? Here, multiplicative identity property. It says that any number you multiply by 1 or you multiply 1 with any number, so the result will be the numbers which have been multiplied. Okay, now this one, multiplicative identity property. Now next, see, 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into 13 by 17. It basically says that any number multiply when you multiply two numbers or more than two numbers. So if you change their places, the place does not matter. The thing matters is the multiplication symbol, and the order does not matter. Only this matters. 13 upon 17 and the ones which are in divide will always remain in divide. You cannot convert them into multiply. Okay, so this property, when you change the places or change the order but the result remains same, this is known as commutative. But since it is in multiplication, so it would be commutative property of multiplication. Property of multiplication. Now see, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal to 1. What does it mean? It means that any number multiplied by its reciprocal will always result in the number 1. Yes, it is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, this is known as multiplicative inverse of this number. And if you see this, so this is known as multiplicative inverse of this number. Each and every inverse is the multiplicative inverse of each other. Wait, you might be confused. See, A by B into B by A. So A by B is the multiplicative inverse of B by A, and B by A is the multiplicative inverse of A by B. So you can write it multiplicative inverse property. Now see this one. This is the question second. It is asking that which property allows you to do this. 1 by 3. Firstly, it will bracket means that firstly you will have to solve this thing, then you will solve this thing. Okay, like 6 by 3 into 4, which means cancel out 2, 4, 8, means 1 by 3 into 8, and here 2 into 4 by 3. Okay, because 3 to 6, so 2 into 4 by 3. Which property allows you to say that these are equal? It is associative property. Associative property. Okay, wait, but basically associative property means that in addition, it is basically dependent in addition, multiplication, and on the brackets. See, when you solve the brackets and by adding or multiplication, the results will always be same. Now, product of two rational numbers is, see, remember, if you multiply rational with rational, it would be rational number. Rational with irrational, so it would always be irrational. Irrational with irrational, it would be sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Okay, so it would be rational. I hope you might have understood this. Okay, this was our whole chapter, very small. We'll meet each other in the next video, in which I start with the exercise 2.1. Until then, bye bye. See you all in the next video.